emergency for Metcalfe, Cumberland, and Clinton counties. The National Weather Service in Louisville has extended the flash flood warning for Clinton County, Cumberland County, southern Metcalfe County, until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time at 8:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.6 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Metcalfe, Cumberland, and Clinton counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, trained spotters reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albany, Edmonton, Brickasville, Leslie, Grider, Bow, Curtin, Ellington, Sandbark, and Waterview. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or